Hello everyone, this is Ben from Motolagan, and today I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to use your mobile phone as a webcam for Zoom app. Stay tuned. Alright, so the reason that I'm going to show you this, or the reason that you're going to use your phone as a webcam for the Zoom app, is that you don't have a camera for your computer. Second, if you have a laptop but it's blurry and you don't want to use that, so you might want to use your phone as a webcam. In this case, I have a phone which is Vivo, and this is just a reserve phone or an extra phone, and I'm gonna use this as a webcam for my computer. Alright guys, so first thing that you need to do is to download the app in your smartphone. So I'll go to Play Store. So this app is called Droid Cam. As you can see, Droid Cam wireless webcam. So you click that and then install. So there are two things that you need to do. You need to download DroidCam in your phone, and then you also need to download the DroidCam client in your computer so that the two devices will communicate. So it's already installed. Right now I'm gonna open this app. You also have the tutorial. So there, as you can see in the home page, it has a Wi-Fi IP and also the DroidCam port 4747. All you have to do is input this information in your computer. But before that, we need to install the DroidCam client in your computer. Okay guys, so we're done installing the app in our Android phone or smartphone. So the next thing that we need to do is to install also the DroidCam client in our computer. It might be PC or a laptop. So all you have to do is just search for DroidCam, and then you can see this website. So you can install DroidCam for both Android and Apple. So DroidCam turns your mobile device into a webcam for your PC. You can use this with chat programs like Skype, Zoom, Teams, or with live streaming programs like OBS. Since we're done with the Android part, we need to download the Windows client. So there are two programs here, one with Android support only and the other one with both Android and iOS support. I will install the Android support only since I only have the Android phone. It shows this dialog because I already installed the app in my computer, so I'll just click no. But if you haven't, you just have to click yes and then next until it's installed. So I have the application here. Just need to open that. Let me just put this in the center. So once you open the DroidCam client in your PC, you can see this box or dialog or window, and then you click at the center and then it will show you this. So you have three options to show or to connect your phone. It's either via Wi-Fi, USB, or you can create a Wi-Fi server. And by the way, before anything else, you need to connect your devices to the same Wi-Fi. I understand that PC cannot connect to Wi-Fi. There's another way for that, but if you have your PC connected to your network using LAN cable, that's fine as long as it's on the same network or the same connection. So you open the DroidCam client in your phone, and then you can see there the device IP or the Wi-Fi IP. All you have to do is just put it here. Also put the DroidCam port, so you can check if you want to use for video only or audio. So this means that you can also use your phone as a microphone by checking this box here. All you have to do is just click start and it will connect. Alright, so as you can see guys, I have the DroidCam client open in my phone, and as you can see the Wi-Fi IP is 192.168.254.101 with the DroidCam port 4747. And if I go to my computer, all you have to do is just input the IP address and the port and then click on start. It will show you that it is working already. Now all I have to do is to minimize that, and then I will start a meeting with video on. Okay. Alright. So as you can see, I'm using the Zoom meeting app now in my computer, and it's also using the phone as a webcam. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. And if you find this useful, don't forget to hit subscribe and then like this video and share it to your friends. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next video.